Hello everyone, so today in this video I am going to share how to place an order in Flipkart. So just open your Flipkart now. You can also use website for it. Now log in. Now enter your phone number, and if you don't have an account on Flipkart, then firstly sign up with your phone number. Okay, so now here you can see many options like offer zone, mobiles, fashion, electronics. If you want to order a product from these, you can select, or otherwise you can search the product. So search your product here. Okay, now then select the product that you want to buy. Now if you want to order this product, then just tap on buy now, and if you want to add other product also, then just add to cart. Now tap on buy now. Okay, so here you can select your address, so add a new address. Okay, so tap on continue. Now add a payment method. Now place order to. Okay, now enter the number. Now confirm order. Okay, so this is how you can place an order in Flipkart. Thank you for watching this video.